students from ES Mumbai, and we made an app to discover Mumbai, and now we are going to explain it.
This project, which we have done in English, involved creating an application to explore the different ecosystems of our town, and involved 3 different subjects.
ICT, Information and Communication Technologies, was in charge of creating the app. Biology had to create the questions, and finally Physical Education conducted the field trip.
Just after starting the project, we had to understand how to use the application correctly. So we did series of tasks in order to understand every tools that App Inverter offers us.
We also learned how to use different sensors such as the accelerometer, and we also learned how to use interactive functions like text boxes and buttons.
After learning the basics, we divided us in 4 groups and we did the drafts of the app. Next group made an app and I finished it, we put them together. One group worked the GPS step, and another worked the questions, and a different group the communicator. And final one, the presentation. Lastly, we put it together and we finished the app.
Our opinion and experience in this work has been very positive, as we have covered many topics and gained extensive knowledge about programming and application design. Additionally, each of us has contributed our skills in various areas to carry out our application. In conclusion, we believe this magnificent project made our app work efficiently.